Hey, Haltip Jr. How you doing?
He sold a horse to the Bergen stables.
Hey.
We've been after Priscilla to sell us Mr. Lincoln since we first saw him work out as a 2-year-old.
That's it.
Said he decided to sell Mr. Lincoln for $25,000, which wasn't steep. We said hooray and wrote a check.
Why am I in the pet videos most of the time?